Hi everybody and welcome to my new ICO review. Today I would like to give you some really great information about a new project called Imusify. So what is the project about, what is the scope of the project, and why should you invest in this project? So maybe some words before we start. So I'm not a financial advisor or a lawyer, so all of the information I give you about the project is only my thinking about the project. It is not an advice or something like this. So all of the investments you are doing are on your own risk. So let's start. So you can see here on the left side a comment from Anders Larsen, co-founder from Altcoin Wiki. So also Anders Larsen is one of the advisors of this team, and he said, "Distributed ledger technology is cutting middlemen, and I see no more obvious applications than music, but ideas don't do the work. In Imusify, I see a serious team working hard, delivering on that simplification, but also extending what artists to fan interaction fundamentally is." And I think this is a great statement from Anders Larsen. And when we go to the website, then we will understand what he means with cutting the middleman. So here are some token sales discounts. Become part of the Imusify economy. So as you can see here, the private sale is from July the 31. Then we go into the pre-sale state, and you get a discount of 30% up to the mail sale 5 with a 0% discount. In the end of the presentation, I will show you the explainer video, and it's very great to see what is the project about and to hear the words of the project itself. So let's talk about the IMU token. Very interesting and really great is that the IMU token is an NP5 standard utility token, so a NEO-based token. So the most of the projects are based on an ERC20 token, so Ethereum-based token, but this project is based on the NEO token. For me, this is a really great decision to go on that platform. So IMU tokens are used as the engine to support Imusify's multi-layered, decentralized music economy. This will create an immense potential value for the token's use throughout Imusify infiltration into the industry. Through our smart reward and compensation system, IMU is either rewarded for contribution to the platform or used as a currency for exchanging digital assets and services. By establishing trust and transparency between artists, supporters, fans and industry service providers, a vibrant ecosystem emerges. So what is the problem the project wants to serve? So you can see it here on the great picture on the left side. So we have the artists and we have the users, and then we have the middleman. And the middleman is only one thing: big cost. And this is the inefficiencies of centralization. The rapid transition to digital media has led to a diminishing rate of return for artists. The exploitation artists currently experience is a result of extreme inefficiencies that lie within the current centralized music industry. Lack of transparency within the system has led to lost revenues, misattribution of ownership, and ineffective licensing processes. Not only are artists struggling to earn a fair and sustainable income, but large organizations continue to grow and withhold unfair portions of revenue through exploitation of artists and their creative content. So you can see it here. What are the big negative things of inefficiencies of centralization? This is extreme inefficient, lack of transparency, and not fair and sustainable income. So it's the connection failure. Music is more available to global users than ever before, but the disconnect between music creators, collaborators and shareholders is growing, making it more challenging to fairly exchange ideas and resources than ever before. So what is now the solution for this problem? Yeah, cutting the middleman. So you can see it here, we have the artist and then we have directly connection to the users. Imusify uses a combination of innovative protocols and frameworks to facilitate direct peer-to-peer connection between artists, fans and other stakeholders, and this is the big advantage. We have the direct connection, no middleman. The platform integrates the best practices of traditional crowdfunding, streaming, media sharing, economic and social network. This way, Imusify eliminates the need for existing intermediaries, resolving inefficiencies, providing transparencies and ensuring everybody is fairly rewarded for their contribution. So we have now the solution, and this is the way as it's explained here. It's efficient and it's transparent, and the people are fairly rewarded for their contribution. Use cases include artist crowdfunding, transparent artist royalty payments, incentivized content curation, open source development and network collaboration. So, make music smarter. Music made smarter. So here I have a lot of great things. What is the project about? So we have crowdfund your music project, support your favorite artists, discover new music, stream your favorite tracks, collaborate with anyone, anywhere, get exclusive tickets to shows, connect with your fans, get paid for your creative services. And it could look like here, like it is on the right side. Maybe a lot of people know Spotify or what other programs or apps, and this is I think a first overview about the program and about the app, and it looks really great. So here, for example, also some great stuff about it. So here the profile, the playlists and the recommended artists, and here, for example, some popular songs. So then you have some information about the IMU token distribution, user forms, and then here we have the roadmap. So the business idea testing was in September 2017, and we are now in the incorporation, or we were in the incorporation phase, and we go forward. Then we see the pre-sale begins here, then the main sale, and the MVP launch is planned for January 2019. Platform launch November 2019. Okay, this was the roadmap. Let's go to the team. So you can see here a lot of people which are working for this team. All have a linked idea here, so you can check it also. And then we have some really great advisors here, for example Anders Larsen. And when you go over the picture, then you get some more information about the advisor, also for Joachim Holmer here, or Nikolai Kattner, which is a theoretical physics developer of the first Neo smart contract, or Johnny Guido. So it's really interesting to have a look on the great team which is working behind this project. So then we have a FAQ behind, so you can here have a big overview about the questions you have, and you get some answers here. And then we have the great white paper here, and I have it also for you here. You can see it here, you can download it and open it. And all of the information which are really important for the project is here. So you can scroll through the white paper, get some more information about the project. Everything is written here, and yeah, don't hesitate to maybe contact the team if you have some questions or whatever. Have a look on the white paper and yeah, think about the project. So this is the end. So here are some partners of the project. So Alcoin Wiki, for example, or Neo, for example, O3. So a lot of more you can find here. So this was it from my side today. I would like to show you the video in the end. So I will scroll up again, and it was here. Enjoy it.
Imusify is a blockchain-based music ecosystem. We enable artists, fans, and creators to engage each other in the first ever marketplace geared to support the listeners and the musicians, not the middlemen. Our utility token, IMU, is the currency we use to make sure artists are paid for their work and retain true ownership of their music. And with the direct consumer-to-creator exchange, artists can earn significantly more for their music and content sales than iTunes or Spotify. The Imusify platform allows artists to strategize with real-time consumer data, providing analytics power that connects fans and artists like never before. But most importantly, Imusify is a tool for you. Whoever you are, listener, creator, or entrepreneur, an entire world of music is now at your fingertips. Imusify.
Okay, this was it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have some comments, please write it below the video. Please subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you very much and bye.